Are weightlifting belts actually worth using in the gym? Today, we break down the honest truth about lifting belts. A high-quality belt is a massive tool for safety. It provides incredible benefits for your long-term strength journey. For anyone focused on clean, safe lifting, it is essential. Let us look at exactly how a belt protects you. First, let us clear up a huge common myth. A lifting belt does not just support your lower back. Instead, it supports your entire core from the inside out. When you lift heavy weights, you must breathe deeply. You hold that breath in your stomach to create pressure. This pressure is called intra-abdominal pressure. A lifting belt gives your stomach a rigid wall. Your core muscles push hard against the leather belt. This action creates a solid, unyielding cylinder of strength. It completely locks your spine and lower back into place. This intra-abdominal pressure reduces spinal compression drastically. It keeps your posture perfectly upright during heavy movements. Think about exercises, like heavy squats and deadlifts. These movements place immense downward force on your body. A lifting belt absorbs a massive amount of that stress. It prevents your lower back from rounding or bending dangerously. By keeping your form perfect, you stay completely injury-free. Next, a lifting belt provides incredible mental confidence. When you wrap that belt tightly around your waist, you feel locked in. You feel completely secure and ready to lift safely. This mental boost allows you to focus purely on your form. It helps you move the weight with total power. You can train harder without worrying about throwing your back out. Furthermore, lifting belts are fantastic for long-term joint health. As we get older, protecting our spine is priority number one. A belt allows you to keep building dense muscle safely. It ensures your muscles do the heavy work, not your joints. You get all the strength benefits without the chronic pain. However, remember to use the belt correctly. Do not wear it for light warm-up sets. Let your natural core muscles do the work first. Save the belt for your heaviest, most intense sets. That is how you build a rock-solid, balanced physique. An affordable leather or nylon belt empowers your gym sessions. It acts as a supreme insurance policy for your spine. Combine a lifting belt with steady, controlled form. You will keep crushing goals for years to come. Do you use a leather or nylon lifting belt? Let me know in the comments section below. Smash that like button if this video helped you. Subscribe to the 50 Factor for more fitness truths. Keep lifting heavy, stay safe, and stay strong.